Yes. This is the Apple Watch Series 4. Let me unbox this one. Yeah. Continue over. Wow. You know, normally you have to use the knife to tear this plastic cover. Now you just have to tear the one over. Wow. This looks beautiful. This is Series 4 space gray aluminum case. Okay, now let me open this one. Okay. Just have to this one. This one. Wow. This is beautiful. Wow. You see that thing? Wow. That logo. Beautiful. The round corner is showing that it's Series 4. Series 3 have the, you know, the square. Now it's rounded corner. Yeah. Whoa. Designed by Apple in California. Just normal stuff. Just some instruction. Charger, cable. There you go. You see that 40mm? Is it like a? It's like a. It's the cover. It's super soft. I don't know what the material is it, but it's super duper soft. Wow. Damn. Ceramic and the sapphire glass. Yeah, this that will improve the cellular, but it's GPS. Let me finish that. This is a black sport band. Did it say 38 or just 40? Oh, let's just say 40mm. Well, okay. I don't know how to open this one. This proper way to open it. Not just tearing apart. Oh, yeah. This is small to medium and medium to large one. I think they changed the packing experience for the watch band as well. I'm not sure though. I forgot about that Series 2. Okay. I think that is too small now. Let me try it on. I don't know which one's which. Okay, so that one's go into. Okay. Okay. Oh, let's turn it on. I am so excited right now. This is beautiful. Oh, that small to medium is too small for me. Let me put it back properly. So when I set it back, so it will look good. Oh, shit. Okay. Oh yeah. Pennant. Whew. Ta-da! Just Apple Watch Series 4 40mm embossing GPS.